What does your typical day look like? You wake up, have a cup of coffee or tea, there's breakfast, lunch, laundry, work. But this is just the routine. There's so much more you do during the day. It could be stepping out to a nice lunch with your colleagues. It could be browsing on Amazon and Flipkart and filling up that shopping basket, or stepping out to the mall and doing the same thing. There's Swiggy or Zomato when you're in the mood for something special. And on weekends, you could spend it at the movies, at a nice fancy dinner, or then getting into your comfortable SUV and going for that quick weekend getaway. This is your story. And this is the new consumption story. And our new small case, Prime Trends Consumption, is built precisely on this theme. When I say consumption, I don't mean FMCGs. I mean discretionary spending that is set to see strong growth based on 4 factors. 1, the average income levels have ensured that your basic needs are met and now you aspire to spend for the next level. 2, the middle class segment is growing both in size and spending capacity, triggering higher than nominal growth rate. 3, state-wise trends indicate an acceleration spending across the spectrum, both in mass discretionary and higher-end discretionary. 4, the large size of our economy and the region-wise output means that even regional brands have ample scope to scale up. All this apart, current market conditions are also lining up for a well-timed entry. So if your spending is going to charge up the economy, then here is a way to benefit from it. Stay tuned for more details on our new small case Prime Trends Consumption.